All right, part 2 of reflections. Now we have the special situation of the line y equals x, which we referred to on the last page of the previous notes as a slanted line. So I'm going to put it in here. That is the line y equals x. If you notice, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 0, 0, negative 1, negative 1, negative 2, negative 2, negative 6, negative 6. So basically, everything x is, y is. Everything y is, x is. That is the line. Now, on the cheat sheet, you're going to be able to use, it's a very simple thing for the line y equals x. I'm going to show it to you right now. So first off, and it just says right here, you just switch the x and the y. That's all you do. Okay? That's all we're doing. You just switch them. So if I had a point, let's say, negative 3, negative 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Now I wanted to reflect it over that line. It's going to be at negative 2, negative 3. Right there. And you see they're kind of staring at each other right across that line. Okay? So, let's do it with some natural shapes. So, we have negative 5, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, positive 2. There's my A. Negative 1, 4. Negative 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're just, going to do this line segment. Not even a shape, just a line segment. Okay? So, I connect those two. There is my little line segment. Now, all I'm going to do to reflect across the line is switch them. So,
This is your reminder, the activity buses are now loading. This is your reminder, the activity buses are now loading.
So negative 5, 2 is going to become 2, negative 5. And negative 1, 4 is going to become 4, negative 1. So I plot those, 2, negative 5, and 4, negative 1, and connect them. You can see, hopefully, that this point is directly across that line, and this point is directly across that line. And that's a reflection. Let's try it again. 2, 2. Right here, and 0, negative 4. Now this one's going to look a little strange because when I reflect across this line, that one point, as you can tell, is on that line, for one thing. So when I switch these, 2, 2 still remains 2, 2. And we've had that before. And then 0, negative 4 is going to become negative 4, 0. So I'll put a repeat dot here and a dot here. And you can see what's happening. So I forgot to put this on the previous one. So this is J and J prime. And this is M and M prime. And you can go back and relabel the other ones if you want. Okay, cross the line, y equals x. More practice. That didn't work. I chose the wrong thing. You can draw this in yourself. Just go very carefully. Make sure you're cutting across diagonally perfectly. Or you can use a straight edge. Okay, now we're actually going to do a shape. So M is at 2, 4. There's M. Negative 1, 3. Nope. There's A. Negative 1, 0. And K is at 0, negative 4. So there's that quadrilateral. Now we're going to fold it over y equals x. So I'm going to erase this, but basically these points are going to shoot across this line this way, and this one is going to shoot that way. All right? You kind of imagine that. So let's do that. M is just switched 4, 2. A is going to be 3, negative 1. We're just flipping them. This is going to become 0, negative 1. And this is going to become negative 4, 0. So 4, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. There's M prime, which is kind of, like I said, where it would end up. A is going to be a 3, negative 1. R is going to be at 0, negative 1. R prime, my bad. And K is going to be a negative 4, 0. K prime. And there is the same shape folded across that line y equals x. And that's it.